Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So as you can see to date, we have tested a total of 483 different strategies with 148 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator on a live trading account, trading the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 379 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one but one. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. So this is actually just a single indicator, even though it's used kind of a two-part system. And so we will put this on the indicator testing spreadsheet instead of the strategy testing spreadsheet. And the indicator we have on screen is the moving average shift indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll keep everything on the default settings. And so the source video says this free indicator predicts reversals. And so basically what we have is a moving average, and that moving average has some different components to kind of smooth everything out, but also has this histogram down here at the bottom, which works in conjunction with the moving average. Now in the source video, basically they said you have the moving average, it gives you a direction to go in, and then you pick up these diamonds here which are related to the histogram, and those diamonds will tell you when you can expect a reversal from price. And so what I did was I was looking for just entries using the moving average in conjunction with the histogram. And so what I was looking for was when both the histogram and the moving average lined up at the same time. And for example, a long trade, we would get a green bar like this here, and at the same time we would have a green bar from the histogram. And that is what I would use for an entry. And so I would put a trade there, put a stop here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward, and you can see a few pushes up there and we get to our take profit pretty easy. And you can see this diamond that appears right here, which is the point where the source video says you can expect a pullback or a reversal of price. And so let's go ahead and take a look at a short trade. And for a short trade, as I said, I was looking for when the moving average would give us a specific color, in this case a orange color, and at the same time as looking for the histogram down here to line up with the same color, so an orange bar and an orange bar. And you can see that we get that right there. That'll be our signal to enter into a short. We put our trade there, put our stop just right above this pivot area, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward, and we could see that we get a push pullback and a push down, getting us to our take profit. And you can see here that we also got one of the diamonds that they reference in the source video that would indicate that you're getting a pullback or even a reversal in the market. But in this case, we were able to make a really nice push to the downside, again, getting us to that take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades, putting it at a 28% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for an overall loss of $6,000 altogether. So as far as using the indicator this way, didn't work all that great, mainly just because it was giving signals really quick and a whole bunch really close together. And so it's doing a lot of over trading. And that's why I kind of tried to slow it down with matching the moving average line with the histogram, hoping that would give it a little bit better chance to kind of secure the accurate trend direction before we would enter. But still, even with that, it was giving a lot of trades really quick. As an example, during the same period of time, we did only 15 trades with the Academy of Forex indicator, but out of those 15 trades, the total gain would have been $3,600. With the position management strategy, would have been closer to $7,000. So would have definitely been better results using the Academy of Forex indicator. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We were going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.